boy. It's Monday morning. Let's talk about the stocks I'm watching. Your boy K, morning stock watch review. So we got a very short amount of time to trade today. The stock market on today, Monday, is closing at 1 p.m. First thing I look at is the futures market. The Dow Jones, the SPY, and the NASDAQ. They're down today after a credible week last week, but stocks are breaking out this morning. Tesla had incredible earnings. This over the weekend. Tesla's up $15, up 5%. I wish I would have held a options call contract. Calls mean you guessing the stock is going up, but with Tesla goes up, usually all the other electronic vehicle market goes up. We got Neo, Rivian, Fisker, Lucid, even Ford. Any car company that has a electric car usually does good when Tesla does good. So I am holding some Neo and some Rivian and some Lucid. So hopefully those continue to increase. Apple just hit a 3 million market share last Friday. So it's at record highs. Usually when stocks go to record highs, they have a slight pullback. The stock price will dip a little bit. And as you see on early this morning, before the market opens at 9:30, it's slightly dipped 0.5%. So I'm thinking it might fall back a little bit more, but I'll watch that at open. And then we got some drug makers that's falling. United Airlines stocks are going up. And it's the summer travel season. A lot of the travel stocks, Carnival Cruise Line had a great week last week. Delta Airlines had a great week in the stock market. So as summertime, as people are traveling more, numbers are coming out around travel. That means stocks around travel, airlines, cruises, hotels, anything in the travel space should go up. And then energy, with people traveling, usually energy stocks go up as well. But with low demand in other markets in the world like China and Russia, uh, oil prices are kind of all over the place right now. But let's look at my account portfolio. My portfolio is at 10,600 right now. We're trying to roll to get it to 20,000 very soon. Taking day by day. So as you see over the year, we up almost $5,000. We was at around 5,006, and then over the past month, we're up about $1,000. So had a slight pullback last week, but we're back up to over 10,000, and we're doing good. So I'm trying to see if I can do this without showing too much of my account information. All right, so this is what I am holding. I got Plug Power, which is a EV stock, Intel, which is a computer chip stock. That's centered around the AI, the artificial intelligence, market that's going on right now. Everybody is buying anything that has something to do with AI. So Intel, SoundHound is a AI centered around music and tracking music through AI. Disney, which I think is just the lasting company. I think it's going to do well. So I recently bought some of that as shares dipped from $92 on down to $89. And then Target, my shares in Target continue to dip. Target is doing bad off some recent political news, but I'm thinking that's going to rebound very shortly. Still a great company. Your wife and everybody loves going to Target. So, and then Galactic Space, want to buy some more of that. Want to buy the dip. It's a low cap stock. It's kind of like my YOLO. Some of them just kind of guessing if it goes up to $5, I'll make a lot of money, but I don't really have too much money in this stock there. What else am I looking at? So those are my top positions. I do have some more like Foot Locker, like I said, Rivian. Let's see if I can go into my positions without giving too much information. Okay, I'm showing a lot here. I'm going to blur that part out. But you see in my retirement account, you got Lucid Plug, some of the money I'm holding right now. So if you guys like to mirror some of my trades, I'm up $41 in Plug, up $9 today in Foot Locker. This is today's stock, but overall, I'm down in these two stocks. But over the next week, these should be positive. All right, so that is my Monday morning stock review. Tesla, I'm looking to buy Tesla long, and all these other EV stocks I'm looking to buy today. Today is looking like it's going to be an EV day. And then if I want to short Apple, I'll buy a put. Put means you think the stock is going to go down. So I think Apple stock is probably going to go down today. So I'm going to bet on that one. All right. So what you see where Tesla actually got all the way up to 280 over the weekend. It came down a little bit, so that's good. So I'm thinking it can run right back up to this 280 mark. That's where I'm going to look at, maybe probably this mark right here. This is my trend line. Bow, at 279, came back, bow, hit 279 again right there, and then again 279. So I'm going to take this bet up to 279, Tesla up to 279 today. And then I will close this trade. Hopefully it doesn't get up there before the market opens. And if it pulls back down, that's even better. All right. So that's how I look at stocks, man. Appreciate y'all checking out my second stock review. I'm going to start doing this daily. So, check in, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be dropping these on both my channels, Kevin Blackman and Boss Up with K. Next time, Boss Up, baby.